You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is g equals 1. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Multiply the coefficients. Group all g terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract g from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 3 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the g. Divide both sides by -10. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. And so the final result is g equals 1.